Hi guys, in today's video we're going to answer the question, does servicing your car increase any power or restore any power actually? So first we're going to measure the power outputs of our guinea pig today, Freddy. Then we're going to change spark plug, oil, fuel filter, air filter, stuff like that, and then go back to the dyno and see if there's any difference. Here is the clip from the dyno. Now we know how much power Freddy makes. We're gonna change all this stuff and then go to the dyno again. So first we're gonna go ahead and drain the oil. We have our first problem. That's the old fuel filter, that's the new one. I don't know if this one is going to fit, but let's see. So this thing has been giving me a nightmare for the last half an hour, but it's done. I don't know how this car is still moving. All the spark plugs were soaked in oil. Crazy. Never seen anything like it before. So guys, now is the next day. That's the first test drive actually. I can feel that we have a little bit more torque. I'm sure that the newtons are way higher. I don't know about the horsepower, but the newtons are for sure more. So we are heading now to the dyno shop and see what's happening. Right guys, I'm now at home and we've done all the runs. I have the results right here. Probably already seen that after the service we're up about 5 Newton meters and we are up 2.2 kilowatts, which means around 3.1 horsepower and 5 Newton meters. So it's definitely working. We definitely see the increase. I can also feel the increase when you're like in upper gear, like third or fourth gear. I can feel that the car is just pulling away a tiny bit better. I'm going to insert an image from the dyno so you can see it yourself. You can see that there is a gap between 2,500 and around 4,000. There is a big gap in the Newton meters. After the servicing, this gap is a lot shallower. It stays for shorter time and it's not as big as before servicing. The engine was dying at around 5,000 RPM and now we can pull up until maybe 5,500 RPM, which is great. And a quick side note guys, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to our channel, maybe like the video or comment the video if you have any questions or thoughts, maybe suggestions. I just wanted to say thank you for watching. Big thanks to the guys from 1337 Tuned. Go ahead and subscribe to their channel. I'm going to link it in the description. And if you want to see anything else on the dyno, just let me know. Thanks for watching and I wish you guys the best. Thanks.